Factory unit in Cali Prime. Working in a factory unit with accounts and inventory. All the options to create a factory unit of a shirt. Creating a company, groups, ledgers, and vouchers. Creating stock in 3 groups. 1. Raw material. 2. Work in progress. 3. Finished goods. Here you have to understand that purchase will add up raw material. Sale will deduct finished goods. You need an entry which will convert raw material to work in progress and then work in progress into finished goods. Cloth, thread, backram, buttons, label, raw material. Half is Selvi shirts. Full is Selvi shirts. Stitching department. Plastic bag. Cardboard. Hinge. Upper lid of the box. Lower lid of the box. Hacking department. Hacked FSLV shirts. Hacked HSLV shirts. Finished goods. Creating stock groups, stock items and units. Stock item. Stock group. Units. Bill of material F12N. Stock item creation. Backram. Stitching material. MTS. Nil. Button. Stitching material. No. Nil. Cardboard. Hacking material. No. Nil. Cloth. Stitching material. MTS. Nil. Full sleeve shirts. Work in progress. PCS. Bill of material. Half-sleeved shirts. Work in progress. PCS. Bill of material. Label. Stitching material. No. Nil. Lower lid of the box. Hacking material. No. Nil. Creating stock groups, stock items and units. Stock item. Stock group. Units. Bill of material F12N. Stock item creation. Hacked full sleeve shirts. Finished goods. PCS. Bill of material. Hacked half sleeve shirts. Finished goods. PCS. Bill of material. Hinge. Hacking material. No. Nil. Plastic bag. Hacking material. No. Nil. Thread. Stitching material. No. Nil. Upper lid of the box. Hacking material. No. Nil. We have to specify the formula of the all stock items required to make one shirts in bill of material and save it. Same thing as for packed shirts as hacking material is to specify in it. Now, user have to create a manufacturing journal so all the entries can be done fast and without any mistake. Stock entries, sales, purchase and stock journal. In factory unit purchase add the raw material inwards. Stock journal or manufacturing journal deducts the raw material outwards and converts it into work in progress or finished goods. are sent outward by sales. Entry. Creating stock groups, stock items and units. Here you have to select Set. Components, Bill of Material. As yes. Packing components are allowed to. Select from the list created. Creating a manufacturing journal in voucher type. F12 configure. Allow use of stock journal as manufacturing journal yes. Conversion of raw material to finished goods. Here in this voucher named Stitching Department we see that as soon as we select stock item and specify the quantity made, the deduction of all raw material is shown as per bill of material. You can even add tailoring, cost, and reduce scrape also. Here this voucher is named as Packing Department. As we enter the finished goods, we see all the packing material, including shirts, is deducted from the stock as per quantity specified in bills of material.